Pantry is a new idea, and I'm excited that there's a willingness to make it part of this new dining room expansion. We have a lot of clutter in our current dining room because microwaves are on the side, people are coming in and leaving dirty dishes around, so it makes the dining space less attractive. So this new pantry will contain that. I think it serves the associate community, be really user-friendly for them. There'll be a preparation space in the pantry. We'll have a big refrigerator in there and microwaves and places they can wash up their dishes. Actually, encourage more associates to eat here. Our residents, those that live here and sleep here, will use the pantry too, and maybe more so at nighttime when the formal kitchen closes down, and have some big toaster ovens in there where they can get a little pan of cookies in to bake up. It will service faculty and staff too. We'll be in the pantry using it too, which will then provide opportunities to mix and mingle